Looking for a Snapchat mass report bot that actually delivers? You've probably seen plenty of tools that don't work, but today we're diving into the #1 Snapchat mass report tool for 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mass report a Snapchat account using our automated system. We'll answer the big question, does mass reporting work on Snapchat? And I'll give you a live demo of the Snapchat mass reporter in action. If you need to mass report Snapchat fast and effectively, stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. First, we select the platform where we want to do the mass report, then, we send the account we want to get banned to our bot, either as a username or as a profile link. After that, we choose the category we want to report. My recommendation is to use spam and misinformation. Now we choose how many mass reports we want to send through our bot. In this step, you can select a higher number of mass reports depending on the account you want to get banned. Now we will set the delay between reports. I recommend not choosing less than 2 seconds. By the way, if you want to buy our bot, you can find our Telegram bot's username in the description section. After selecting the delay, we can finally check our configuration and click the Start Report button. Once you click it, our system will send mass reports to your target using our accounts, based on the settings and frequency you selected. You can monitor the process by checking the Refresh Status section. You can access our bot by searching the username in the description on Telegram. All payments are automatic, and if